Welcome to Race TV. We are turning the spotlight on an exceptional young generation who have demonstrated remarkable courage, creativity, academic brilliance, and excelled in education, sports, or technology. These children from various parts of the country have achieved the extraordinary, breaking barriers before even stepping into adulthood. Their stories continue to leave a lasting impact, proving that you're never too young to make a difference and reminding us all to dream bigger and reach for greater heights. Through Race TV, we want to proudly highlight these young heroes whose selfless deeds and visionary projects have caught the nation's attention. Their contributions have helped shape a brighter future for all, showing that the next generation is ready to lead the way. Saurabh Chaudhary, while still a teenager, has won a gold medal at the Youth Olympics and set several world records in shooting. His journey from a small village near Meerut to international fame has made him a role model for many young athletes. Likyapriya Kangujam, a 12-year-old young environmentalist from Manipur, is one of the youngest climate activists in the world. She has spoken at the United Nations and inspired global movements for climate change, advocating for a climate change law in India. She has also received several awards for her work, including the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Children's Award. Shafali Verma started making waves at just 15 when she debuted for India's women's cricket team. She became the youngest Indian to score a half-century in international cricket, setting an inspiring example for young girls in sports. Moirangthem Thoiba Singh made history by becoming the youngest football player to score in an AFC Cup match at just 15 years old. His dedication and success in football inspire many aspiring young sports enthusiasts. Tilak Mehta became one of the youngest entrepreneurs in India when he founded Papers and Parcels at 13 years old, a logistics company in Mumbai that uses the city's Dabbawalas for same-day courier service. His company has gained national recognition, and he has inspired many young innovators in the tech industry. Samay Godika, a 15-year student from Bengaluru, won the Breakthrough Junior Challenge 2018, a global science competition, by making an animated video that simplified the concept of autophagy, a Nobel Prize-winning biological process. His achievement earned him a $400,000 scholarship and a lab for his school. Ayan Agarwal, a 7-year-old from Ludhiana, initiated an anti-plastic campaign after learning about the environmental dangers of plastic waste. His efforts led to several restaurants in his city banning plastic straws. Nishat Kumar, a 14-year-old para-athlete from Himachal Pradesh, made headlines by winning a gold medal in the high jump at the 2021 Tokyo Paralympics, clearing a height of 2.06 meters. His dedication and hard work have made him an inspiration for athletes across India. Master Triptaraj Pandya, the youngest tabla player in the world, and he started playing the tabla at the age of 2. He used to play aluminium boxes as an instrument. His first public performance was at Mumbai's Somia College when he was just 2 years old. At the age of 3, he got the opportunity to play the tabla live on All India Radio and played for Doordarshan at the age of 4. He entered the Guinness Book of World Records for being the youngest ever tabla master. Now, he has given more than 200 public performances. Pari Sinha, a master of chess at the age of 4. She became the youngest chess player in the state of Bihar and became the youngest player to compete in the State Open Chess Championship in Eastern Bihar. She finished third in the under-7 category. Arman Ubrani, hailing from Chhattisgarh, is also known as the Google Boy. He was awarded for his exceptional skills in math and science. At only the age of 6, he secured several records like the youngest author of a book series and solving 100 multiplication sums. Aryan Singh, the 17-year-old from Rajasthan, was recognized in the science and technology category for creating an agrobot. It is an AI-powered robot aimed at simplifying the lives of farmers by integrating cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, IoT. These young achievers showcase the incredible potential of Indian youth, demonstrating that age is no barrier to making a positive impact on society. To the achievers of tomorrow, you're at a stage in life where the possibilities are endless and the dreams you have today will shape the future you build tomorrow. Whether it's excelling in school, sports, arts, or any other passion, now is the time to embrace your potential. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and every setback is a lesson that brings you closer to success. Believe in your abilities, work hard and don't be afraid to think big. The world needs your unique talents and creativity. Surround yourself with positive influences, stay curious, and never stop learning. You have the power to make a difference, whether it's in your community, in a field you're passionate about, or even in your own life. Keep pushing forward, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers. Dream big, aim high, and keep striving for excellence. Your potential is limitless, go out and achieve it. If you know of any incredible kids with inspiring stories, feel free to share their details in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback, so don't hesitate to leave your opinions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Race TV for more amazing content.